For 45 years, Full Sail has been on the front end of technology, the evolution of it. Everything about this place is not just being in the present, but looking towards the future. The things that are trends in the industry that we see. For everything that is about emerging technologies, we package it in forms like Full Sail University IBM Cyber Defense Range.
We're always talking to industry experts, understanding where the technology is going, where the industry is going, paired with our experienced instructors who bring the industry knowledge, and then reverse engineer that into our curriculum. That's why it's very important for us to partner with IBM, AWS, and Cloud Range to create a space where our students get the hands-on experience, get to refine their skills, get to experience different scenarios, and be ready for that industry they're going into.
The students at Full Sail have the ability to take advantage of the latest technologies, the latest momentum, and the cybersecurity environment. AWS ensures continuous evolution through a scalable architecture that will allow the faculty to be able to bring in new exercises to support the students' outcomes.
Simulations in this space are paramount to provide students to replicate what is out there in the real world. They come together, they play different roles, which is very realistic when organizations get attacked and breached, to allow employers to find them very valuable in the industry.
There's a number of things that's driving the current demand for cybersecurity professionals. Number one, there's over 750,000 unfilled roles in the US. IBM truly values its partners, and it's through these partnerships that we're able to meet the demands that are growing across this country and across the world. What's exciting about working with Full Sail is Full Sail has a track record of collaborating with the private sector to bring the best for their students, and in turn providing the best for us once they go into the workforce. And we're excited to bring some of those students to IBM and to other cybersecurity-focused companies so that they can be the next generation of cybersecurity professionals.
It is the creators of the technology that know best how it can be used to its greatest benefit across the face of any and all industry. So glad for our partners, IBM, AWS, Cloud Range, that they chose to stand with us on this. This is the really right place for us to be in launching this brand new lab at Full Sail.